Hello Techverse. Today I received my PS5 Spiderman limited edition collection. So I'll be unboxing this. I'm very excited to unbox this. I've been waiting a long time after I pre-ordered it. So let's get to unboxing. Yeah, so there's a lot of these bubbles. Whatever this is. Damn, it's everywhere. So here it is. Here's the big boy, the package. I was very excited to receive this. And as we can see, like, the design was very nice. And if you guys are wondering how much I paid for this, I paid $881 in total with tax, of course. So we can see like the designs are nice, the art. Now we're gonna see how it actually looks. Time for the real unboxing of this thing. So it's actually pretty heavy, not gonna lie. Comes with this for easier lifting. Yeah, that's all it is. So for the back, there's this awesome design of, this is Miles using his powers to try to defeat Venom, and this is Peter also helping Miles. Okay. Okay. So if you guys got this, comment in the description how you like it. And if you guys are getting Spider-Man 2, also comment and tell us like if you're excited or not. Okay. So there's another box inside of this one. That's interesting. Here it is. There's another box inside of the box, which is pretty interesting. And this one's actually easier to unbox because it's just cardboard. Alright, so this is what we got. We got normal PS5 manual right here. What else did we get? We got power cord. What else? Oh, this is the exciting one. What else did we get? The controller. This is what many people were excited about. Now to feel this controller, feels amazing. Wow. What else? We got the USB-C charging. This is for the controller, because you see the USB-C there. Oh, and this is the PS5 dock. This is where you can change the PS5's position. You can either make it vertical, horizontal, right here. Here is the HDMI cable. Right there. And we're gonna come back with the actual PlayStation. The PS5's inside this thing. So I'm gonna be taking this like fourth box out of here and getting the real PlayStation. So I can see it right now. Look at that. I don't want to like damage it or something. Here it is, guys. It's right there. Let's take it out together. Yeah, maybe this is a better idea to take it out from here. Here's the game, guys. This is the game. And that's where we can scratch the code right there. And here it is. This is the bad boy that we wanted. Okay. Look at that. Oh, that looks clean. I actually love this PlayStation, bro. Oh, here it is. It's bigger than I thought. What the hell? Here it is, guys. Here it is. Look at the back too. And there are all the ports to the side. Now, I'm pretty excited to play with this, honestly. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and have a good day.